Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make edits in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, all you will be needing to do is to simply start your project. So here in the file menu, either you'll find a new project and then you can choose from your aspect ratios, or you can simply open an existing project. Now, the thing or the second step is to start like adding and uh, importing clips to your timeline. So you can simply go to the media menu, and from here you will need just to click on imports. There you will find like all your media, and you can like choose any media that you want. So here you will be needing either to click on open, so you can have it like in the media panel or on the media folder, and then you can start like adding your clips. You will be needing just to drag and drop, and you can either import any sound file, that means either songs, audio, images, videos, gifs, or whatever you'd like. Everything would be readable. Then you will need just to drop them in the timeline, and from here you can start like making your edits. So there is the clipping tool, for example, you will need just to click, or you can simply use the shortcuts for it, like the Control B. So whenever you click Control V, you will start like clipping your uh, video. There is like adding text. You can start like just going to quick text, and from here you can start like adding whatever you'd like. And basically for each object you'd have like a property panel. So for example, if I click on this video, you'd find this property panel. From here you can like edit the video, like opacity, you can the audio, you can like change the audio, the coloring, and you can like, as you can see, add any effects to this video. So let's just go back here, and you can like do whatever you like. And there are many other tools like the AI tools that you can find here, and you can start like applying them onto your video. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.